Alright guys, we're on our way to New York City. Alright guys, we made it off the train. We're in New York, trying to find our way out of this maze at Penn Station, but yeah. Yeah. Alright, Times Square, New York City. This place is a freaking circus. It's called the California Burger. Really good. We just finished up lunch. We're in the middle of Central Park right now. It's pretty amazing that like in a city like this you have forests and like scenery. I don't know, it's pretty cool. Casey.
Pier 15, 78 South Street.
So the taxi drivers in New York City are absolutely insane. The way that they can maneuver in and out of traffic. You look out the window and there's like that much space to the car next to you. It's just incredible and definitely one heck of an experience. So yeah, there's a reason that we didn't take the BMW down to New York City. We left it in New Jersey and we took the train. And that way we could just not have the BMW get messed up down there. Thank you. That was crazy. Alright, so that taxi ride was crazy, but we made it to this little cruise ship. It's like a little ferry, and it's going to take us around the Statue of Liberty and some other cool stuff. So I don't know if I've ever mentioned this, but Casey Neistat is actually my favorite YouTuber and he's one of my biggest inspirations. So it's very like surreal and almost sentimental in a way to be here on the same areas that he filmed some of his videos. Just very special to me. So what was your favorite thing?
The boat ride.
The boat ride, seeing the Statue of Liberty. So we saw most of the main like landmark things here in Manhattan, and I know that's not like seeing all of New York, but one day when we have more time, we'll come back here and we'll do some more exploring. But for right now, we're gonna head back to the train and go back to Brian's house where we're staying for the car show.